Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie and hey to newbies and welcome back you regular viewers. Today I've got a super exciting video for you guys. I'm so excited. It's the review and first impressions of the Fenty Beauty, the new Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in shade Diamond Milk. So this just got released, I believe on the 7th of September. So just on Friday it got released and I'm so excited to try it out. I tried out the original Gloss Bomb, but I really wanted to review this one as well. So this is £16, and if you want to see the review and first impressions, just keep on watching and do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll get started. So here in the UK, I got mine from Harvey Nichols as that's the only place I've been able to find Fenty Beauty in the UK, but I know that they do sell it at Sephora and then Fenty Beauty online in America. And if there's anywhere else that sells it, do leave a comment below to help others out to know where to buy it. So yeah, it comes in the lovely packaging, which I really like. You get 9 mils or 0.3 fluid ounce. What else does it say? Addictive shine, nourishing wear, universal finishing touch. So yeah, really like the packaging. So this is what it looks like. So it is super lovely packaging. I do have the other Fenty Beauty original one so that you could see them side by side. So the packaging is literally identical. Yeah, I was just looking at the color. It's very similar, and yeah, the packaging looks super identical. So the original one is called Fenty Glow and the new one is called Diamond Milk. And in Diamond Milk there was also a cream highlight, which I did swatch when I was in Harvey Nichols, and it is really beautiful. It's very sparkly, the highlighter, so if you like a more shimmer style subtle one, it wouldn't be for you. It is a full-on glitter, but it was really nice and it was very light, sort of similar looking to the lip gloss. So I don't have anything on my lips apart from a little bit of lip balm, so let's just get stuck in and try it on the lips. So excited. Oh man, I love Fenty Beauty. So the applicator is very similar, I believe. Let's just open the other one up, but they look pretty much identical. Yeah, they're both got the same applicator, so that really giant size of applicator. Let's pop it on the lips. Oh, it's got a nice scent to it. It's really lovely on the lips. It smells so nice. It's really lovely consistency there. So I will, oh wow. So guys, this is what it looks like closer up, so you can see it's really sparkly. It's really nice. It's got the sort of little white, silvery, very icy looking to the reflections within it. So really like how it's looking. Super creamy feeling. It doesn't feel heavy on the lips and it feels really good. It's a very super shining as well. So if you like a really wet looking lip gloss, this is what it's looking like. I feel like it looks really nice by itself as well, and you could put a little bit less on. I did go quite heavy there with it, and then it would be just more subtle, but I like quite a high impact gloss. So it's looking really nice at this stage. What I do want to do is try it on top of a lipstick. So I am just going to take it off and pop on some of my MAC Pure Zen so that we can see what does it look like when it is worn over lipstick, as there's not a lot of coverage there. It's very much a lip sparkle topper. So I know some of you guys might want to know how it wears over a lipstick if you want to have it as a lipstick topper rather than sort of a lip gloss by itself. So I'll just quickly take it off. So I just popped on MAC's Pure Zen onto my lips, so I've got a lipstick on now. What I'm going to do is, because I don't want to get the actual original one all dirty with lipstick, I'm going to apply the gloss with my finger, I've got a little lipstick brush that I can apply with so that I don't contaminate the lovely clean packaging. So I'm just going to try it with my fingers and dab it on to see how it looks on top. So guys, this is what the gloss bomb looks like on top of a lipstick. It adds a lot of shine, but the glitter definitely is more subtle once you put it on top of a base, as it's not as intense, but it does still have a lovely look to the gloss, and it makes the lipstick look really nice and moisturized. And yeah, just looking, it's much more subtle, the glitter, once you put it on top of another lip product. So I personally think it's quite multifunctional, because on top of a lipstick, if you say don't like a lot of glitter, I would recommend putting it on top of a lipstick or a liquid lip, where it's going to be more subtle. But if you want that really high impact glitter, then wear it alone. I think I like it as both, but I think if I could only pick one way, I actually prefer it alone. I feel like it looks really unique on the lips. I don't have any lip products like this that it's so sparkly, but with that real white icy look to the lips, I think it's really cool. And actually coming into the winter, it'll look quite maybe Christmassy with the glittery lips. So it does feel very fresh and very different than anything I've got. So I'd be naturally more likely to wear it with just glitter, so that it was just like, boom, just the Diamond Milk by itself, because I loved how it looked. But it does look really nice as a lip topper as well. So really versatile there. So you can wear it both ways. So what am I going to give to the Diamond Milk by Fenty Beauty for the gloss bomb? I'm going to give it, no surprise, a 5 out of 5. I absolutely love this, and I highly recommend trying it. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think for £16 it's actually quite reasonably priced. And yeah, really love it. So happy I went out and bought it. Do let me know if you like seeing first impressions and reviews, as I always love to hear from you guys. Do give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!